I've been using the Trust Wallet mobile app for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. Trust Wallet is a multi-chain, self-custody cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive a vast range of digital assets. Supporting over 10 million assets across more than 100 blockchains, it provides access to thousands of decentralized applications, including those in the decentralized finance, gaming, and metaverse sectors. One of the app's standout features is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. It offers robust security measures, such as private key encryption stored directly on your device, ensuring that only you have control over your funds. However, it's important to note that Trust Wallet is considered a hot wallet, meaning your private keys are stored on an internet-connected device. While this offers convenience, it may not provide the same level of security as cold wallets, which store keys offline. In terms of customer support, Trust Wallet has room for improvement. Despite high ratings on app stores, it holds a low rating on Trustpilot, with many users expressing dissatisfaction with the support options available. Overall, Trust Wallet is a solid choice for those seeking a versatile and user-friendly mobile wallet with extensive asset support and decentralized app integration. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.